The importance of keeping your brakes working at peak performance all hinges on how well they are maintained. Your brakes have intricate moving parts that require periodic attention that includes lubricating and adjusting of key components such as slide pins, pad chamfering, and hub cleaning as required. Keep watching to see how we complete a full brake service. At the end of your appointment, a report on brake health will be given to you to indicate areas that may need future attention and the general health of your vehicle's brake system.